How to add arrows in Figma. In this video, I'll show you how to add arrows in Figma, which is perfect for annotations, user flows or wireframes. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on the device. After that, open Figma app. Now open a file or create a new one. Now first step is to use the line tool. You can press L on your keyboard to activate the line tool or click the line icon from the toolbar. Here you can see that you can drag this line anywhere as you desire. Now, next step is to add arrowheads. Once your line is selected, look at the right side panel. Under stroke, you'll see options for end arrow or start arrow. Here you can see this start point and end point. Now customize the arrow. You can change the stroke weight to make it thicker and adjust the color or make it dashed under the same stroke section. So this is how you can add arrows on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.